Hi, and welcome back to my 21 Gun Saloon. I'm a disabled veteran that likes to make drinks, and I would like to share them with you. Today I'm going to take this Parrot Bay 90 proof coconut rum. I'm going to mix it with Mountain Dew Major Melon. What you will need is 1.5 ounces of your Parrot Bay coconut rum. Top it off with your Major Melon. Give this a quick stir. These videos are also my way to honor the memory of the men and women who volunteered or may have been drafted to serve this country. I will now raise my glass and pay my respects to Andrew Garula. So sorry, Andrew, if I mispronounced your last name. Andrew passed away April 22nd, 2024 at the age of 67. He served in the Army for 22 years and he called Kentucky home. You may be gone, but you will never be forgotten. Thank you so much for your service. You will be missed. Perfect 10 out of 10. This is fantastic. Andrew? So good. On average, 22 veterans and soldiers take their lives daily. If you're having a mental health crisis and would like to receive help, call Stop Soldier Suicide at 844-317-1136. These services are free, so call if you need any help. If you have had this drink and would like to rate it, please leave your rating in the comment below. If you would like me to dedicate an episode to a fallen veteran or soldier, email me at my21gunsaloon@gmail.com and I will dedicate it to your fallen hero. If you like the messages behind these videos, please like, subscribe, share them. Please help me spread the word of mental health awareness. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Since these episodes contain alcohol, please drink responsibly and do not drink and drive. Thank you, and have a great day.